Hello everyone, I am Bio Squad. I welcome to all of you in your channel Learning India. Today I am going to teach about the phrases. In Hindi, muhawara. Phrases is the very important in English language, any language. If you know phrases, so now we can speak English fluently. So please listen carefully to all of you. First phrases all in all, सर्वे सर्वा in Hindi. Principal is the all in the school. DM is the all in the district. Head. Now we can say principal is the head of the school. DM is the boss of the district. Now we can say like this. But phrases, principal is the all in all. DM is the all in the district. Principal in the school. So in this way your language is must be very simple method. You have to use your phrases. Now you come get up, wake up. I always wake up early in the morning. So if you don't say like this, now you can say I get up, I get up, I get up early in the morning, I get up early in the morning, I get up early in the morning. You don't say I wake up. That is very good. That is good. But now you come keep on. Keep on means जारी रखना. Keep on. आप सुनते रहिए. Keep on listening. Keep on listening. पढ़ते रहिए. Keep on reading. Keep on reading. Keep on study. मैं सोते सोते पढ़ता हूँ. I keep on study while I am sleeping. I keep on study while I am sleeping. Now you come put on. Put on means wear. Put on means wear. Just you are put on your wear your shoes. Please put on your shoes. Please put on your shoes. Put on your coat. Put on your shirt. Etc. If you now you can say any sentence. Please now you come put out. When the lamp is burning and you want to extinguish that thing, so you must say put out the lamp. Put out the lamp. Suppose you are talking बिजली वो बुझा तो not. Switch off. Switch off. बंद कर दीजिए. Switch on. जला दीजिए. But put out any candle, any burning thing, that is the separate thing. Now you should become got up. Got up is the second form of the get up. Got up is the second form of the get up. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठा. You don't say get up. Always use second form of the verb. Got up. Got up. I got up early in the morning. You got up early in the morning. Now you come kept on. This is the second form of the keep on. This is the second form of the keep on. Kept on. I kept on my study. मैंने अपना पढ़ाई जारी रखा. I kept on listening. So in this way, keep on, kept on, kept on. Present, keep on, and past, kept on. Now you come out of question. समझ से बाहर. This is the out of my question. This is the out of my question. So please, today lesson is phrases, muhawara. If you learn every day 4 phrases every day and use in your own sentence, I think your language in English will be brush up. Very beautiful language. Without hesitation, you can be speak fluently, because phrases is very, very important. 100 at least. If you learn 100 phrases, the language of English is no problem for you. Many students, they don't want to learn phrases because phrases is very important. Also idioms. Phrases. So every day 4-5 phrases you have to learn by heart yourself. I hope you will be do this everything. And phrases not only meaning in Hindi, you use in your own sentence. You use your own sentence. Please, I am going to revision mode. All in all. You are the all in all in your class. You are the monitor of the class. Now you can say you are the all in all in your class. You are the all in all in your class. Get up. Please get up. I'm not saying stand up. Oh, there is okay pressure. Get up. Get up. Utna. And if you want to say, please, when did you get up? If you want to say got up, if you want to question, you always put did. When did you get up? If you want to say, when did you keep on? When did you keep on? Now we come put on. One phrase you have to write 10 times, 20 times till you shape your mind that phrases. Practice makes man perfect. How many times I talk to you, don't be shy, don't be hesitant. Be confident, always be confident. If you want to speak any language, always be confident. You must be strong. You don't look your mistake. Always keep on speaking with the confidence. So phrases is the very, very important. I have written only few phrases, but you have to learn every day 5, 4 every day, please, till 2 months, maybe 200, 300 phrases. And you must use your own sentence. Suppose you are going to learning words. Suppose you are going to learning words. If you not use in your sentence, then you can't speak. Same in phrases. If you use in your own sentence, you can speak very fluently without any hesitation. So please, phrases and idioms. Every day, I told many times, you must be remember yourself 5 words every day. All the phrases can be new. 5, not 5. I think 4 is okay. 4, 3 every day, and 5 sentences you have to write yourself and use your own sentence every day. This is the main important thing. You don't need the rule of grammar. I have said many times, please, if you want to speak in fluency, you must be use phrases, words in your own sentence. So in this way, you have to learn every day 4 phrases, or also I think maybe idioms. Idiom, do you know? Where there is a will, there is a way. जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है, जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है. Where there is a will, there is a way. So please, from today, you should be write down 5 words, 5 sentences, and new lesson, new topic, 5, at least 4 phrases you must be go write down. And use in your own sentence very properly, systematically. Then you will be learn very properly in English, and you can be English fluently with anybody. Please, as first time, you have to speak very slowly, simple sentence you have to speak. In this way, I think you will improve your English language properly. Don't be shy, don't be hesitation, be confident yourself, be confident. और ये जो भी आप लोगों को पढ़ा रहा हूँ, आप अपने भाई बहनों में, आस पड़ोस में सबको शेयर कीजिए. शेयर करना आपको, शेयर आपको बहुत करना है. ये नहीं कि आप उसको अपने पास रखना है. प्लीज़ शेयर योर नॉलेज. थैंक यू वेरी मच. गुड बाय एवरीबॉडी.